We are taking RD Sharma solution, class 10 maths. This is chapter number 9, exercise 9.6. Find the sum. So how to find out the sum of these series? Here we are given the first term also and last term also. And number of terms, if it is known, then we can easily find out the sum. So how to do it? Can you find out the last number first, or n value? How many n values are there? So in all these questions, what we are going to do here is, let's start with the first one. So we have 2, 4, 6, 200. So the first term is A, which is 2. So A is known. What is D? 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now last term is given as 200, which is the last term. So this is last term. Last term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D, that is how many terms are there. So L is 200, A is 2, and D is 2. Bring it here, 198 equal to 2 n minus 2, n minus 1, divide by 2. So it is going to be, okay, see, 2, I'll just open it, because I've just taken it, and I'll just open it so that 2 cancels out. So 2 plus 2n minus 2. So now we can divide just 200 by 2. So no need to do this. 200 by 2 is 100. So n is 100, that is there are 100 numbers. Now we can directly use the formula S 100, it is 100 numbers, 100 by 2, n by 2, A plus L. A is what? The first term, 2. What is the last term? Which is 200. So n is known, 100 by 2 is 50, and 200 plus 2 is 202. If you multiply, it is going to be 10100. I'll take another one. Let's take some typical one, this one. So if you want to do this, this is for your reference. Again, same thing we are going to do. This is the series. A is known to us. A is minus 5. What is D? This minus 8 minus 5. So minus 8 minus of minus 5, right? So this is going to be minus 8 plus 5. This is minus 3. So D is known. Now this is the last term. And last term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, last term is minus 230. And this is going to be equal to minus 5. That is A plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? D is minus 3. Right? So what do we get? Minus 230 equal to minus 5 minus 3n plus 3. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. And we are bringing it here. So it will be minus, this is minus 2. And this is going to be plus 2 here. So this will be minus 228 is equal to minus 3n. Minus minus cancels out, divided by 3. N will be equal to 3 7s are 21, 3 6 are 18. So you get n equal to 76. Now you have to find out the sum. So as 76 you have to find. So n is known, 76 by 2, and A is minus 5, and L is what? Last term, minus 230. So 76 by 2 is 38. Here minus 5 minus 230, this is going to be minus 235. Multiply 38 and minus 235, you get minus 8930. This is the sum of AP. This also you can do, right? This is for your reference if you want to do it yourself. And this one we can take, right? This we can, because we have a fraction here. So A is 7. D is what? 10 and a half minus 7. 10 and a half is what? 2 10s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 minus 7. So 21 minus 14 by 2, and this is going to be 7 by 2. So D is 7 by 2. Now nth term, nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 7, 7 plus n minus 1 into D, which is 7 by 2. And this is given as 84. Or it's 184. No, it's 84 only. It's 84. So now this n minus 1, 7 by 2 is 84 minus 7, which is going to be 76. Right? 84 minus 7 is 77. Sorry, 77. 7 7s are 77. 7 2s are 14. So n minus 1 is 14. Am I doing it right? Because 7 minus 84 is it's 77, it's correct. Then we are left with 7 by 2. So 7 11s are 77. Yeah, 7 11s are 77. And then 2 is also there. So it becomes 2 into 11. What do you get? 22. So n is going to be 1 plus 22, 23. So n is 23 here. Now we are aware how much elements are there. So S23 you have to find out. So it will be 23 by 2, A plus L. A is what? 7. What is L? 84. So 84 plus 7 is what? 84 plus 7 is, it's 91, right? 91 into 23 by 2, and this is going to be 2093 by 2. This is your answer. This also you can do. This is quite simple. This also you can do. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. If the common difference is 9, so the first term A is 17, L is 350, and common difference, that is D, is 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? So last term is given, so 350 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Use the formula 17 plus n minus 1 into D in order to find out n. So 350 minus 17 we are going to do, or you can just use 17 plus 9n minus 9 equal to 350. 17 minus 9 is 8, so it will be 8 plus 9n, 350. Bring this here, 350 minus 8 is 342, and divided by 9, you are going to get 9 3s are 27 and 8 9s are 72. So you get n equal to 38. So n is 38. Now you can find out sum of 38 terms. This is going to be n by 2, which is 38 by 2. And A plus L, what is A? 17. What is L? Last term, it's given as 350. So 350 plus 17 is 367. And 2 19s are 38. So we have to just multiply 19 and 367. And this is going to be 6973. The third term of an AP is 7. That is A3 is 7. And the 7th term exceeds the 3 times the third term by 2. So A7 exceeds the 3 times the third term, 3 times the third term by 2. Okay. So A3 is 7, so you can just use A3 here. So A7 will be what? 3 into 7 plus 2. This is going to be 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 2 is 23. So A7 is this one. So A7 is A plus 6D and A3 is A plus 2D. So we can use these two. Subtract this, 6D minus 2D is 4D and 23 minus 7 is 16. So D is 4 4s are 16. So D is 4. Now put it in any of these equations, say I'm putting it here. So A plus 2D. A plus 2 into 4 is 7. A will be equal to 7 minus 8. So A is minus 1. So A is minus 1 and your D is also known. So find the first term. First term we have got, common difference also we got, and sum of first 20 terms. So sum of first 20 terms will be, S20 will be n by 2, 20 by 2, 2A, that is 2 into minus 1, plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, 19 into D. What is D for? So what do you get? 2 10s are 20, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and 19 into 4. What is 19 into 4? 9 4s are 36, 6, 3 carry hand, 4 1s are 4, 7, 76. It will be 76 minus 2, 74. So what is the answer? It's 740. 740 will be there. 74 into 10 is 740. So this is how you are going to do it. The first term of an AP is 2 and the last term is 50. So A is 2 and L is 50. The sum of all these terms is 442. Find the common difference. So here we can directly use the formula, but because A and L is there, so we can find first the n and then we can find out the common difference. This you can do. So 442 equal to n by 2. The sum is n by 2 A plus L. So A is known, L is known. So it will be 442 into 2 by this I took here, 52 is n. N is going to be 17, right? Because 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 26, 17 is n. So n is 17. The last term is also known. Let us find out the n term. N. Let us find out the n. So 50 n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 2 plus n minus 1 into d, 17 minus 1 into d. So here we are finding d. So 50, just take it here. 50 minus 2 is 48. And this is going to be 17 minus 1 is 16. So 16 I divide d. So this is going to be 3. D is going to be 3. This is how d is 3. The 12th term of an AP is minus 13 and the sum of first 4 terms is 24. What is the sum of the first 10 terms? So A12 is given as minus 13. That is A plus 11D is equal to minus 13. The sum of the first 4 terms, S4, is given as 24. What is the sum of first 10 terms? So let us find out first this one. A relationship between A and D first let us find out. This will be minus 13 minus 11D. S4 is 24. So S4, that is first 4 terms. So n by 2, 4 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus 4 minus 1, that is 3d, is given as 24. So now we will use a as minus 13 minus 11d here. This will be 2 and divided by 2. So it will be 12. So 2 into a, that is minus 13 minus 11d plus 3d equal to 12. So this is going to be minus 26 minus 22d plus 3d equal to 12. Bring 26 here. So this will be equal to 38. And this is going to be 22d. So this is 22, 3 minus 22, so it will be 19d, and it will be negative. So d will be equal to minus 9 2s are 38, so minus 2. So d is our minus 2. How to find out a? Minus 13 minus 11 into minus 2. So minus 13 minus, or this is going to be plus 22. 22 minus 13 is going to be 7 plus 9. It is going to be 9. So D is minus 2 and A is 9. See, A is 9 and D is minus 2. So now we know the terms. We can find out the sum of the whatever number is given, sum of 10 terms. So S10 will be equal to 10 by 2. 2A, A is known to us, it is 9 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9 into D. D is also known, minus 2. We just have to solve this and it is going to be 0. Let me do it for you. 5, 9 to the 18, minus 9 to the 18, 18, 18, 0, 0. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 22 and A22 is 149. So the sum of first 22 terms is this, D is this, A22 is 149. So let us use first this one. A22, that is A plus 21D is equal to 149. D is given, so let us use D. A will be equal to plus 21 into 22 equal to 149. A will be equal to 149 minus 21 into 22. This is going to be 22, 44, 462, 462. So what do we get A as? It is going to be minus 313. A is minus 313. Now we have to find out the sum of 22 terms. A is known, D is known. S22 will be equal to 22 by 2. 2A, that is 2 into minus 313, plus n minus 1, that is 22 minus 121 into D, and D is what? 22. This is going to be 11. So this is going to be minus 1804. This is the solution in front of you. It is minus 1804. If an AP, or in an AP, if the first term is 22, A is 22, common difference is minus 4. So D is minus 4. And the sum to n terms is 64. Find the n. So sum is given, that is Sn is given. So n by 2, 2a, that is 2 into 22, plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 4, is given as 64. So you just have to solve this. There will be a quadratic equation. So let us take 2 here. 2 into 64 is 128. So it will be 128, and this will be 44. This will be minus 4n and plus 4. 44 plus 4 is 48. 48 minus 4n, and we have n also here. This will be equal to 48n minus 4n square. Now bring everything here. So 4n square minus 48n plus 128. So all will be divided by 4. So let us divide everything by 4. So n square minus 104, it will not be divided by 4. No. We can just do it by, say, 48. Yeah, 48 goes by 4. 4 ones are 4. And 4 2s 8. Yeah, sorry, I'm so sorry. It will be n square minus 412 plus 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s 8. Okay, this is the equation. Now this is your equation. Now you have to find out the factors. So it will be, you can write minus 12 n as minus 8n minus 4n. So it will be n minus 8 by n minus 4. So n gives you 8, n gives you 4. So n is 4 or 8. This is the answer. So it can be 4 also, it can be 8 also. The sum will come as the value which is given as 6, this one, 64. In an AP, the 5th and 12th terms are 30 and 65. What is the sum of first 20 terms? So the term is A12 is given as 65. So A plus 11D is 65. And fifth term, A5 is 30. That is A plus 4D is 30. Let us subtract it. 11 minus 4 is 7D. And 65 minus 30 is 35. So D is 7 5s are 35. D is 5. Put it here. A plus 4 into 5 equal to 30. So 5 4s are 20. Bring it here. 30 minus 20 is 10. So A is 10. Now A is 10 and D is 5. A and D we know. Now what is the sum of first 22 terms? So 22 as 22 will be equal to n by 2, 22 by 2. 2A, that is 2 into 10 plus n minus 1, that is 22 minus 1, 21 into D. This is 5. So this is now self-solving. Okay, you can just solve it, and this is going to be 1150. This is how you have to do it. Is this 20? 20 terms. So let us make it 20. This will be 19. So this is 20 terms, right? So I'm just changing it because I thought it to be 22. So when it is asked being 20, so make it 20, 19, and you have to solve by this one, and this is going to be 1150. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are given like this. So A3 is 18 and A2 is 14. So A3 is A plus 2D and A2 is A plus D. Subtracted. A cancels, 2D minus D is D, and 18 minus 14 is 4. So D is known. Now put this in this equation, second equation. A plus 4 equal to 14. So A will be equal to 14 minus 4. A is going to be 10. So A is known, 10 is known. Now what is the sum of first 51 terms? As 51 is going to be n by 2, that is 51 by 2, 2A plus n minus 1, 51 minus 150 into D. So this is going to be 2 into 10 is 20, 50 into 4 is 200, this will be 220, and 2 is there, so it will be 110, and 51 into 110, and this is going to be 5610. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So we have the first term given, that is A is 5, last term L is given 45, sum is also given 400. So we'll use the formula directly, S equal to n by 2 A plus L. So sum is 400, this is going to be n by 2 A plus L, that is 45 plus 5 plus 45. So this is going to be 5 plus 45 is 50. So 400 into 2 by 50 is your n. 5, 8, 8 to the 16. So you get n equal to how much? N is going to be 16. Now n is known, right? N is known. We have to find out the common difference. So the last term is also already given. So we'll just use the formula. That is, last term 45 will be equal to a plus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? Do we know d? Do we know d? D have to be found out. N is known, 16. Okay. So 45 equal to 5 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15d. This goes here. 45 minus 5 is 40. Divided by 15. So it will be 5 3 is a 15 and 5 is a 40. So d is going to be 8 by 3. This is the answer. In an AP, the first term is 8, the nth term is 33, and sum of first n term is 123. Find n and d and the common difference. So the first term a is given 8. An is given as 33. Right? A and an are given. The sum of first term is also given. Now if you see that the nth term, let us take it as the last term. So we can find out the n terms. So we'll use the formula, that is the sum. The sum is given as 123. It will be n by 2, a plus l, 8 plus 33. So this will be 123 into 2 by 8 plus 33 is what? 8 plus 33 is 41. So this is going to be 41, 3s are 3 2s are 6. N is going to be 6. N is 6. We know the last term now. So 33 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is what? 8 plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1, that is 5 into d. 33 minus 8 is what? It's 25. 5d. 5 5 is 25. D is 5. D is 5. In an AP, the first term is 22, the nth term is now minus 11, and the sum of n term is 66, 5, n and d and the common difference. Exactly similar to the previous question. So the first term a is given as 22, nth term is minus 11. Let us take it as an or l equal to minus 11. And the sum of first n terms. So sum is n by 2, a plus l. We'll use directly this formula. So it is sum is 66 equal to n by 2. We don't know n. We have to find out a plus l. So 22 plus minus 11. So 22 minus 11. So we have this will be 11. So 11 6 are 66 and 6 into 12, 2 is 12. So n is going to be 12. Now last term is also already known. It is minus 11. So minus 11 will be a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 22 plus n minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11 into d. So bring it here. 11 minus 11 minus 22 is minus 33. 11 is here divided. It will be minus 3. So d is minus 3. The first and the last term of an AP are 7 and 49. That is, a is 7 and l is 49. If sum of all the terms is 420, find the common difference. So first we will find out the n here. Okay. First we'll find out the n, then just put it in the formula, or you can do other way around. That is, you can use you make a equation and then put it in the sum. I hope you got the idea. The first and last term is this 7 and 49. I am saying that this is the first method that you are witnessing. But what I am saying is first and last term is given and the sum is for 420. So sum 420 can be written as n by 2 a plus l, 7 plus 49. Right? So n is going to be 420 into 2 by 7 plus 49. This is going to be 56. Okay? 56. 49 plus 7 is 56. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. So how this n can be found out? N can be found out. So n, if you see 28 into 15, 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 10, 4. 5 8s are 40, 0 4 can 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. Then 28. 0 2 1 carried 420. So this is 15 times. So n is 15. This is how you can find n. When you are knowing n and you are knowing the last term and the first term also, so you can find out the common difference. That is, the last term 49 will be a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 7, n minus 1, 15 minus 1, that is 14 into d. So 49 minus 7 is 42 divided by 14, and d is going to be 3. So this is the way I taught you or told you, but this is another method also you can do. by yourself.